1969 Ford Mustang Convertible, listed in Bradford, Rhode Island for $10,000. This 1969 Mustang is a solid roller, meaning the body and frame are in great condition, though it will need a few parts to become fully operational. It comes with a low-mileage 302 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The undercarriage is solid, with no major rust or structural issues. The convertible top is in poor condition and will need replacement. The car will be sold with a bill of sale, and the price is firm, with no trades or offers considered. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1967) Chevrolet Nova, listed in Grants Pass, Oregon for $7,500. This four-door classic has a very clean and straight body with no major damage. It runs well with its original six-cylinder engine and has a new exhaust system. The front and rear bench seats have been reupholstered, though the headliner and door panels could use some work. Comes with a legal title, making it easy to register and drive. A solid and affordable classic with great potential. (1966) Chevrolet Caprice, listed in Mullica Hill, New Jersey for $7,500. This 1966 Caprice is a project car that has been stored dry for many years, keeping the frame and floors solid. It has the original 283 V8 engine, Powerglide automatic transmission, and factory options like AC, power steering, and a six-way power front seat. The engine runs but needs a tune-up, and the transmission shifts fine. Some minor rust in the trunk and lower quarter panels, with a Bondo patch in the right quarter panel. Includes the original jack, spare, GM books, and a clean New Jersey title. (1963) Ford Galaxy 500, listed in Catawba, North Carolina for $14,000 or best offer. This 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 was originally equipped with a rare 406 engine but now has a 289 motor. It runs well and has many new parts installed. The interior is in good condition with a rating of 7 out of 10, and the paint and body are also in good shape. The car has 85,500 miles on it. The seller is open to trade offers for another car or vehicle. (1968) Chevrolet Bel Air, listed in Asheville, North Carolina for $15,850. This classic has been in the same family since new and remains completely original. It features a 307 cubic inch V8 engine with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. The body is immaculate, never repainted or restored, and the original interior is in excellent condition. It has manual brakes and steering, along with a replacement radio. Runs and drives well with factory trunk paint still intact. A rare find in this condition. (1963) Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, listed in Jamaica, New York for $13,995. This all-original 1963 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 has only 53,000 miles on the clock and is in excellent condition. Powered by the original 394 cubic inch rocket V8 engine, it runs like new. The car has been garage kept, with new tires and brakes for safe driving. The four-door sedan has rear-wheel drive and is described as having no issues. A real gem for anyone looking for a vintage ride that's ready to hit the road. 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, listed in Hatboro, Pennsylvania for $10,000. This classic Ford Galaxy 500 runs and looks great, with recent maintenance including fresh spark plugs, oil change, and a new master cylinder and booster for improved braking. The engine is cammed and bored out for more power and a throaty sound. It features Lincoln front seats, a Falcon center console, and a modern Bluetooth radio. The car has new tires and barely any rust, making it a solid choice for any enthusiast. The seller is letting it go as it's no longer driven much. (1966) Plymouth Valiant 100, listed in Selden, New York for $10,500. This 1966 Plymouth Valiant 100 is in excellent condition inside and out. It features a reliable 170 cubic inch slant 6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives phenomenal, with all gauges fully functional. The rust-free body and chassis add to its great value. Recent upgrades include a new battery, exhaust system, and Flowmaster 40 muffler for a smooth, great sound. Fresh oil and filter change ensures the engine runs smoothly. The car also has a clean title. (1962) Buick LeSabre Coupe, listed in Dudley, Massachusetts for $7,000 or best offer. This classic Buick features a 410 Wildcat engine with 70,000 original miles and runs and drives great, cruising comfortably at 75 miles per hour. It's been updated with interior seats from a 2015 Hyundai Sonata, a custom center console, and a touchscreen radio. Some minor maintenance is needed, including an exhaust leak and a non-working gas gauge. Spare parts are included, and the car comes with registration and a bill of sale. Trades are considered. (1963) Chevrolet Chevy 2, listed in Keymar, Maryland for $5,000. This classic is in great shape and ready to drive. It runs on a 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine with performance upgrades, including headers, dual exhaust, and a performance intake. The automatic Hydroglide transmission shifts smoothly, and the brakes have been completely replaced. The car has been fully rebuilt as a home project, not a shop restoration. The seller is firm on the price and not accepting trades. A solid vintage ride with extra power.